The equation above shows how temperature F, measured in degrees Fahrenheit, relates to a temperature C, measured in degrees Celsius. Based on the equation, which of the following must be true? 1. A temperature increase of 1 degree Fahrenheit is equivalent to a temperature increase of 5/9 degree Celsius. 2. A temperature increase of 1 degree Celsius is equivalent to a temperature increase of 1.8 degrees Fahrenheit. 3. A temperature increase of 5/9 degree Fahrenheit is equivalent to a temperature increase of 1 degree Celsius. Think of the equation as an equation for a line y equals mx plus b. You can see the slope of the graph is 5/9, which means that for an increase of 1 degree Fahrenheit, the increase is 5/9 of 1 degree Celsius. This is the equivalent to saying that an increase of 1 degree Celsius is equal to an increase of 9/5 of a degree Fahrenheit. Therefore, statement 1 and 2 are true. An increase of 5/9 degree Fahrenheit leads to an increase of 25/81, not 1 degree Celsius, and so statement 3 is not true. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more.